Good morning, everybody. It's Chris
and Joan
from Chris and Joan Travels. Hey, this is our day 11 vlog for the 11th of November. We were in Cozumel, Mexico, and our big excursion for the day was the Paradise Beach Club, which was nice. So let's go through what we did yesterday. Of course, we got up, had breakfast, we ate the Seaside Grill, and then we went back up to the pool deck and we got our towels because the beach club doesn't provide towels. And then we changed, we got in our bathing suits, and we got off the ship. And as we got off the ship, we, on the pier, they were doing pictures. They had a señorita all dressed up in Mexican clothes, and a senor in his, I don't know what kind of clothes were those? Had like a black outfit, bandito outfit. That was kind of cool. And then we walked from the pier. The pier was pretty long, so you had to walk from the ship down the pier. There were some.
We were on the Puerto Maya pier this time,
yeah,
which usually the NCL was gone to the other pier. I don't know which side pier that is. So this was a totally different one, which is kind of cool. It was nice things that we haven't seen. So that was a good thing.
Yeah. So we walked down the pier. We walked through the one duty-free store. We found our way to the taxi cabs. We jumped in a taxi cab to go to the beach club, Paradise Beach Club, and that was only $18. So total.
No matter how many people you have in the car, it's one price. So that was good.
And that took us about 15 to 20 minutes to get there. Oh, yeah, it really wasn't that long. The guy coming back drove a lot faster. So we did that. We got to the Paradise Beach Club. We got ourselves checked in.
Yeah, check-in was really good. They were really nice.
Check-in was so simple. I had the little QR code. The lady scanned it. She goes, yo, $84. We paid, but she goes up. But because the wind's too high today, we're going to take 18 off. Because we're not going to have the aqua park was not there, right, which was too bad. We were kind of like looking at it going, ooh, that would be fun. Yeah. I'd had fun on it, it wasn't there.
They refunded it, so
they took that back, and then we got in and we got escorted over to some guy, and we were brought to the bar, and then the guys at the bar took us over and said, where would you like to sit? And we go, we don't know. And he goes, I'll get you 2 good seats. So
seats in the house.
Jesse or Jesus brought us just past the bar, and we were sitting right next to the pool.
At the pool side.
And that was a really good spot. Yeah. Not quite in the sun to start with, but by the end of the day when we left, we were in the sun.
Right at the pool, right at the bar, and they literally served you
drinks.
There was never a drink not in our hands.
If you wanted a drink, you could have it, no problem. So we got
always came by. There was always somebody.
So Joni was drinking strawberry daiquiris all day. I was drinking pina coladas all day, and so we had we sat by the pool for a little while, just kind of enjoying the fresh air, and then walked around the resort. And they have a nice big pool. They have some very clean restrooms. It's right on the beach. The beach has lots of loungers. And then there's a swing. We got some pictures on the swing. And then we walked out onto the beach. We checked out the beach. And then they had a little pier. We walked over to the pier, took pictures on the pier. They had some swings on the pier at the end of the pier. We did a little short video of us going, whee! Swinging on the pier. And then we came back. We sat down and relaxed. We had some lunch. We had some cheeseburgers, and they were like the perfect size cheeseburgers. And this is all inclusive, so it wasn't costing us anything. And then we had burgers and fries. We had another drink and more drinks. And then I found a path, and I went exploring, and down the path there were another bar, and there were parrots. And we checked out the parrots, and next to the parrots there was a shopping area, so Jody checked out the shopping area, and she bought a t-shirt.
Another set of areas down to the pool, down to the beach. So some more chairs and stuff like that in that area.
And then we went back to our chairs. We kind of hang out, drank some more, played around in the pool. The water on the beach was really rough, so we kind of skipped doing that. And then after that, it got to be 1:30. The ship was getting underway at 3. We went and got back in the cab. We met a couple. We shared the cab back, so the 4 of us all jumped in the cab. He was a New York cop, and now living in Florida, so that was pretty cool. We had a nice conversation for 20 minutes in the cab with him and his wife. We got back here, Joni and I walked around the Florida Maya cruise terminal area for a good 45 minutes because we had to be back on the ship by 3. So we did a little shopping. I actually bought a little thing for my wall, and then after that we got back on the ship. Okay, so we're stuck here, gonna kind of chilled out for a little while. I went down to the spa. Joni was like, I'm just gonna go take a nap. So she went and took a nap or went and rested. Then when I was done, she was all cleaned up. I got cleaned up. We went down, we took our daily ship photos. So we always take advantage of them taking our pictures because we bought the pictures so we get 8. And then for dinner, we went to Los Lobos. And we had some nachos, and Joni had a couple tacos.
Chicken tacos.
They were good.
Chicken tacos were good.
And then we had,
rice.
I had the steak and rice and beans, and that was actually really good. I enjoyed that. Really good marinated flat pan steak. And then after that, we kind of went down to the Manhattan room. Joni sat and listened to the One Hit Wonder guy, and I went exploring the 7th and 6th deck with the GoPro. I took a whole bunch of videos. So we'll make some videos out of, we'll make at least one, either 3 small videos, one of each deck, or we'll make one big long one of 6, 7, and 8. I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet. And then after that, we had a 9 o'clock reservation for Bossa Nova Nights. So we went to the theater, we sat on the 7th deck, we watched Bossa Nova Nights for an hour. Real good dancing and music kind of thing. I didn't understand half the words because it was in Spanish, but that's besides the point. And then Joni decided to go back up to the room, and I went to the local and had some high a la mode. And then we went back to the room and pretty much went to bed. Or no, we watched Monsters Inc. for about an hour and a half. Hour and 10 minutes. We didn't finish it.
We went to bed early.
And then tomorrow we're supposed to pull in the Grand Caymans. We'll see how that is. The weather might not be that great.
Still rocking and rolling, so.
We've been rocking and rolling the whole time. So this is Chris.
And Joan.
For Chris and Joan's Travels.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Follow us along. Bye for now.
This was our day 11, day 3 on the Prima blog, and it's starting to rain. Bye.
Bye.